And big news coming in from Bengal as the Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, is holding a rally in Bogaon area, which is in North 24 Parganas. She has made big claims and big attacks on the SIR exercise. She has said that if BJP tries to strike me in Bengal, I will shake its foundation across India. This is Mamata Banerjee giving a rallying cry against SIR and calling it an attempt by BJP, and she has today called a rally in Bogaon area. Tapas Sengupta of India Today is right there where the rally is happening. Let's cut straight across to him. Do tell us, Tapas, SIR is something that's been on the target of Mamata Banerjee for some time now. Yesterday also she wrote a letter to the CEC. She has written once before also, and both Abhishek Banerjee and Mamata Banerjee have been targeting it continuously. Tell us about this march or this rally that she's holding.
Well, see, Anjali, this march started from Chatpara area in Bangaon, and prior to this, Mamata Banerjee held a public meeting where she had launched scathing attack at the Election Commission of India and also the central government. She raised the question time and again that why so much hurry in implementing SIR. 3 years work is getting done in a month's time, where there are several technical glitches and problems with the fill-up and digitization of the enumeration forms. So the entire enumeration process is full of flaws, what she indicated. Now this very place, Bangaon, is a strong bastion of the BJP and the Matuas. The Matua community vote bank since 2014 have been in favor of the BJP. But Trinamool Congress since last almost 10 years have left no stone unturned to re-establish their power in this area, but they did not succeed. But now it remains to be seen in wake of the SIR, where Trinamool Congress is trying to pitch that SIR is being implemented just to keep the legitimate voters out of the voter list, which includes the Matua. On the other hand, it's the BJP who says that their trump card is CAA, because CAA will give legitimate citizenship to the Matuas who have come from Bangladesh due to religious persecution. And this rally is a symbolic in itself, because Mamata Banerjee, after a long time, visited Bangaon and holding such a huge rally where thousands of people on both sides of the road are awaiting and just to have a glimpse of the Chief Minister and the Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee. Trinamool Congress says that this time around that they can turn the table in their favor and BJP will not be able to encash on the vote bank in Bangaon. But given the political equation that exists in this very area of Bangaon, especially the Matua community vote bank in Krishnanagar, in Ranaghat, in Bangaon, this remains to be a consolidated vote bank for the Bharatiya Janata Party. But Trinamool Congress this time around had vowed that they will leave no stone unturned to get this vote bank in their favor. And for that, Mamata Banerjee, almost after Kolkata, we can say this is the first election rally keeping forward the issue of the SIR. Mamata Banerjee have started this rally here in Bonga, which remains to be a strong bastion of the BJP. Anjali.
Right, Tapas. So we're bringing these visuals directly live as Tapas Sengupta walks along with Mamata Banerjee in that rally. But do tell us, another interesting thing that she said was that the Bihar poll outcome was actually the result of the SIR exercise. And what she said was that the Bihar opposition could not gauge the game of BJP. And she says that I am not like that and I will be able to counter it. Do try and explain what she means by this.
Well, I couldn't hear your question properly, Anjali, but yes, Bihar is a fallout of the SIR. That's what the Trinamool Congress have been saying, and they were indicating that there were a lot of faults and follies as far as election process was conducted and the SIR process that was conducted in Bihar. And now it's turned for Bengal, and she have time and again reiterated that if any flaw is found in the process of the voter list, be it in the draft list or the final list, then there will be huge protest conducted by the Trinamool Congress, not only in Bengal, but they will take this movement pan-India, where there will be public outreach undertaken by Mamata Banerjee, reaching out to other opposition political parties, and they will try to rope in all those parties together and who can equivocally come together to create pressure onto the Election Commission so as to prove that the process of implementation of SIR was full of flaws, and was an attempt made by the central government to to bring the vote bank in their favor. That's what the allegation that Mamata Banerjee have made, and she has given an ultimatum that if things goes the other way, she will not deter to venture across the country to make a public outreach. She will not leave an inch to the BJP if any conspiracy is hatched. She calls this entire process a conspiracy to oustate the present government here in Bengal, and she has made it time and again clear that she will leave no stone unturned to get to the people, not only of West Bengal, but the people across the country in days to come. Back to you.
And that's true. She has held marches. She has written letters to the Chief Election Commission. She has tweeted constantly about it. She's making an outreach to the voters themselves. But Tapas, if possible, I know it is very difficult. You are trying to walk and match pace and give us all the information as well. But if you are able to talk to people around you, do try and get an opinion. Do try and speak if you can. If not, do tell us, how is Mamata Banerjee trying to strategize this entire SIR exercise and counter it?
Well, see, Anjali, it is barely possible to connect with people at the moment. At least we are running at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. But yes, this is a part of a very meticulously planned strategy by Mamata Banerjee. We know that whatever the statistics say, but Mamata Banerjee is someone who is directly connected to the roots of the people of Bengal, and any politician better than Mamata Banerjee doesn't know how to connect with the people of Bengal. And in South Bengal is always known to be a bastion of the Trinamool Congress, and Bangaon. Leaving Bangaon, this Bangaon, Ranaghat, these areas which is a Matua vote bank, Trinamool Congress, as their strategy goes, they are intact in places which are minority dominated. But now they're eyeing for a bigger picture where they have missed the vote banks of Matua community, and that had given a way to BJP. Now they are trying to consolidate that particular area. Henceforth, this rally started from Bangaon, where Trinamool Congress did not perform well in last two terms, but despite that, she chose to start her election rally from this very place, keeping in front the SIR as the main issue. So you can well understand that she is all set to go head-on with the BJP and other political parties, especially the BJP, who have been claiming big about the 2026 elections. She have given an open challenge to BJP that the place where the Trinamool did not perform well in last two terms, she has chosen that very place to begin this poll campaign in West Bengal. So it's a head-on, and Mamata Banerjee have given a clear message to all the opposition political parties that what may come, she is ready to take it head-on, and that's why it's Matua vote bank and the Matua bastion, which remains to be a stronghold of the BJP, has been chosen as the place to begin the poll campaign for the Trinamool Congress.
Absolutely, and we leave you with these visuals as Mamata Banerjee has taken to the road in Bangaon area. She has activated her infantry as far as SIR exercise is concerned. She's targeting it, and also in one stroke starting her election campaign as well.